Did you ever hear the story about a master tea blender whose taste buds are insured for £1 million by the Tetley Tea Company? Yes, don't be surprised. A professional tea blender is very valuable for a big tea company. You could even say they are the key to creating profits for the tea companies. So, who is the tea blender? What exactly do they do with the tea? In this advanced level, ITA certified online tea course, I'm going to explore with you what tea blending is, how it really works for the tea companies, and how it earns profits for the tea companies around the world. If you are drinking a cup of tea, or you are planning to have your own tea business, or even you already have the one, you might really want to know how to create a cup of blended tea for your daily enjoyment or for your tea business. Hi, I'm Shana Zhang, your host for this course. I have created 3 important foundational levels of tea courses for you to introduce you to every basic point you need to know about tea. In this advanced level, I'm going to explore tea blending projects with you. Through this course, you can not only learn the details of how a professional tea blender does their job, but also how you can achieve soothing, deep healing relief with the essential skill of blending your own teas. In this online course, you will obtain the key to finding and choosing the right ingredients to blend with tea to achieve a healthy balance based on the ancient traditional Chinese medical theory of the 5 elements system. As an extra benefit, this course offers further deep exploration of the 5 elements theory, which is still used as a tool for grouping objects and as a method for analyzing changes in the nature phenomena, and it's essential to helping you open the door for tea blending. From the history of tea blending to creating a sustainable, healthy tea blending practice for yourself, the videos are step-by-step and easy to follow. This course is specially designed with assignments to develop your own skills at applying tea blending techniques and promoting healthy and longevity. Get an ITA certified tea blending and the wellness online course now to help cultivate a healthy, sustainable, and soothing tea life as well as your own successful tea business.